inventory that was bought right before year end, the end of year 1, but was incorrectly recorded in year 2. So simply put, this is year 1 and this is year 2. So it was recorded, it was purchased here, but was not recorded until year 2. Okay. Which assertion is affected in year 1? So they're asking us which assertion is affected in year 1. Well, what happened in year 1? In year 1, we had a transaction here. We purchased inventory, but it was not recorded. So did we have all the transactions recorded? And the answer is no, we did not have it recorded. Therefore, completeness is definitely one of them, because we did not record all the transaction. It means our inventory and accounts payable, if we bought it on account, is understated because they're not complete. Therefore, 1 is definitely, so 2 only is out, and D is out. So all we have to find out now if the second assertion, existence, apply to year 1. Well, which assertion is affected? Is existence affected? No, existence is not affected. We didn't even claim that we have it. Existence is basically tested when you have an asset. They're telling you in the first statement that we did not even record it. Therefore, we don't worry about existence. Existence will be a concern in year 2. Basically, you are recording something, but it doesn't belong to year 2. But they're asking us about year 1. So if they're asking us about year 2, existence will be the right answer for year 2, because you are recording something in year 2 that should not have existed in year 2. It should have been part of year 1. So the answer for this is only 1 is only.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.